Horns up and welcome to Headbangers Kitchen. Today we're going to be making some delicious and super easy keto pancakes. For this recipe, you are going to need 2 eggs, almond flour and cinnamon. I am using 50 grams of almond flour, and if you want to use coconut flour instead, you will need to use only 20 grams of coconut flour. Now if you don't like the flavor of cinnamon, you can use vanilla extract instead. I'm also going to be using stevia as my sweetener, but you can use any keto sweetener that you like. And remember, sweeteners are a pantry staple, so it doesn't count in the 3 ingredients. Now for this recipe, I'm going to be using my blender, but you can also just whisk everything by hand. So now into my blender go the eggs, then the almond flour, the cinnamon and the stevia finally. And then you just gotta blend it till everything is well incorporated. Now make sure that you scrape down the sides of the blender and you should have your pancake batter ready. Now to cook the pancakes, I'm going to get a small pancake pan on the stove and I'll melt some butter in that pan. Once the butter is melted and I've spread it around, I will pour in the pancake batter and then just let it cook on a low heat. Now I like to cover the pancake and cook it so that the top of it sets as well, so that when you flip it you don't have pancake batter flying everywhere. But of course you can cook your pancakes any way you like. This is just how I'm going to cook mine. And this recipe makes about 3 pancakes, 3 small pancakes that is. But you gotta remember, since it's almond flour, it's quite calorie dense. Like I think 100 grams of almond flour is about 579 calories. So it's better to eat fewer pancakes rather than to go nuts. But also don't forget that you can double or triple or quadruple this recipe and make the batter and store it in your fridge, and every morning you can make yourself fresh pancakes. Anyway, that's pretty much it. Cook those pancakes and once they are ready, well, they are ready. And I like to serve my pancakes with a nice knob of butter on top and then drizzle over my favorite keto syrup. Well, I only have one keto syrup, which is a Lakanto maple flavored syrup that was sent to me by my fans Robert and Nancy Boyer. So thank you both for sending me this. I'm still using it. Anyway, I guess that's it. Our pancakes, which make the perfect keto breakfast, are ready. And they look so good. Hoo yeah! Hey folks, if you enjoyed the recipe, do smash that like button and subscribe to Headbangers Kitchen for more awesome recipe videos. Anyway, that's enough jibber jabber. I will see you on the next episode of Headbangers Kitchen. Cheers and keep cooking. Hey folks, we've got some cool Headbangers Kitchen merchandise like the t-shirt I'm wearing right now. The links to order it are in the video description box just below this video. So grab yours today.